Good morning from Fiji. I just woke up and the sunrise is so beautiful. This is my little shell collection from my beach walks here on Namotu Island. So many beautiful shells.
Daydreaming feels like I'm fading away, and I wonder why no one ever stays. How am I supposed to spend my days when all I wanna do is feel? Reaching out for something that is real. Babe, I'm trying to heal. I wanna run with you, run away, just run away and leave this world behind us. I wanna run with you, run away, just buy a ticket and I see you on the next bus. Oh, daydreaming, we're filled with too much doubt. Daydreaming, how do we find a way out? How am I supposed to spend my days when all I wanna do is feel? Reaching out for something that is real. And I'm trying to heal. I wanna run with you, run away, just run away and leave this world behind us. I wanna run with you, run away, just buy a ticket and I see you on the next bus. I wanna run with you, run away. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, run with you, run away. Ooh, ooh, ooh. How am I supposed to spend my days when all I wanna do is feel? Reaching out for something that is so real. Oh, I'm trying to heal. I wanna run with you, run away.
Bula!
You stole my line. Bula! We just surfed all morning and it is almost lunchtime. So we're heading back to our little room to change and put more sunscreen on Michael because he is sunburnt. Here we are, here we are. It's lunchtime. Michael, it's time to merm. Look at all of this zinc on your face. It is
Merming time.
mermaid time. We're gonna snorkel right out front of our little beach house. Right out there because the conditions look absolutely perfect for it. So, just gotta get Michael out of bed, which is the hardest part. Very difficult to do since he's been sunburnt and sore surfing cloud break all day, every day.
Bula!
Can we go merm now?
Yeah, we're gonna merm.
I guess while Michael is posting on Instagram, I'll show you what the ocean looks like. The water looks so beautiful and inviting. I think we're just gonna swim somewhere off the beach right here because the water is crystal clear and there's tons of fishes. Michael, are you ready yet?
Yeah.
He's not ready. What are you posting?
Just some whopas.
At Cloud Break? Okay, can we go now?
Whopa.
Whopa.
No refresh on all my feet.
Little refresh.
Nothing crazy.
It's sunscreen time. I've got my favorite Sunbum mineral sunscreen, which is reef friendly and it smells really good. Do you guys want to see Michael's sunburn? You are red. Oh my god, look at your red skin. Gotta get those ears. The backs of the ears, very important.
Watch on.
Oh gosh.
Watch off.
Wear sunscreen, kids. You don't want to look like this.
Waiting for a sign. Turn back time to fairy tale soul. Awake and alive. Everything about you is honest and true. What do you say? Can you picture yourself? Waking up by my side, sharing your days and your nights, burning up as we get it right. My all-time blue. Dreaming of a dream, holding on to you, fairy tale, no. Your freckles put a smile across my mind, I can't think. Show me your darks and days, take me on.
Hey guys, we're back from merming around and now we're gonna go take some photos on the beach for Pura Vida bracelets, and I'm kind of doing a little styling since it's all blue and ocean related. I'm gonna do some photos with my surfboard and I'm wearing a blue suit, so it all just looks very aesthetically pleasing. Afterwards we might go for a second surf session if the waves still look good. I'm not sure yet. Anyway, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna head over to the beach and take some photos. Michael just killed it with the shots.
Hard to take a bad picture on this beach here.
Yeah, this place is so perfect. I think we might try to get back on the boat to see if the surf is still working. So that's the plan. Look at these blues. All the blues. Yeah, let's go surf. And we're back. Whew. We clocked in so much ocean time today. My eyes hurt from squinting into the sun. But it was a really good day out in the water. And now it is time for a nice cold shower to wash all of this salty hair. Shower time?
Shower.
Here's our little bathroom. We've got a nice little indoor-outdoor type of shower, so you can see the palm trees right here. Nice.
Oops.
Tonight is Fijian night here on Namotu Island, so I'm all dressed up for the occasion, and we're gonna do, so is Michael. We're gonna have a kava ceremony, I believe, and I've never experienced this before, so I'm very excited. And it starts at 7 o'clock, so it's time to head on over there.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Everybody! Kava was started by our ancestors long time ago. It is used for many reasons. When a visitor step to a source, step to a village, or even step to a house, this is what he or she will receive from us to show our respect of welcoming them to our big happy family.
He can't pick his head up.
100%?
Well, 90.
Michael, there you go.
Nice snake you got there.
Oh,
yeah. And we are back. Fijian night was awesome. I loved the kava ceremony. I love drinking kava. We got these really cute little ceremonial leis. Did you have a good time, Michael?
I just held a snake.
Yeah. There was a snake right outside our room. But, yeah. Alright, you guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And, yeah, it is time to go to sleep to do it all over again tomorrow. Good night!